In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication on Netlify. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds a powerful extra layer of protection to your account by requiring a one-time code in addition to your password. This helps keep your projects and team data safe even if someone gets hold of your password. Start by heading to netlify.com and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile name or avatar there. Click it to open your account menu. In the menu that appears, click your profile name again to open your personal settings page. This takes you to the area where you can manage account-specific preferences and security options. Next, go to the security section. Here, you'll find the option for two-factor authentication. Click that to view the 2FA setup screen. This page explains what will happen and what you'll need, so give it a quick read if you're new to 2FA. When you're ready, click Enable Two-Factor Authentication. Before you proceed, have an authenticator app installed on your phone or desktop. Popular choices include Google Authenticator, Authy, Microsoft Authenticator, or a built-in authenticator in a password manager. These apps generate the time-based codes you'll need each time you sign in. You'll now see a QR code on your screen. Open your Authenticator app and use it to scan the QR code. If scanning isn't possible, many apps let you enter a setup key manually, which Netlify will display near the QR code. Keep the page open while you complete this step, and make sure your device's time is correct so the codes sync properly. After the app adds your Netlify account, it will start showing a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Enter that authentication code back on the Netlify setup page. If the code changes while you're typing, just use the newest one and submit it promptly to avoid a mismatch. Click Next, and Netlify will display your recovery codes. These are critically important. Save your recovery codes in a safe place, ideally a secure password manager or an offline file you control. Avoid storing them in plain text or emailing them to yourself. If you ever lose access to your authenticator device, these codes are your lifeline to get back into your account. That's it. You've successfully enabled two-factor authentication on Netlify. With this in place, your account is significantly more secure and you're ready to keep building with added peace of mind.